How you doing, guys? Cesar Fixin here with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. Today I didn't take anything. That's the first thing that I want to mention. And pretty much if you pay attention to the previous pre-analysis, I'm gonna be overall looking for the same thing. Okay. So just like I've been saying, guys, for the past weeks, in general, I expect the price to go at least to this 50% right there, which is the 50% of this whole move up, this whole bullish move, having mitigated that 50%. So the bullish struck, like since the price hasn't mitigated the 50%, the price it has been just standing. All right. So this is the actual low and the actual high from the higher time frame. So the price needs to go to this 50% at least to keep going up, or it's gonna go a little lower to keep going up, or a little lower to keep going up, or it's gonna keep going down completely. That any of those moves is gonna take like weeks. So we are gonna have plenty of possible opportunities in general. Okay, so I'm gonna go over what I'm gonna be looking for. I don't think tomorrow I'm gonna take anything, to be honest. Okay, so in general, I'm gonna be looking for buys from here. Okay, why? Because this range that you guys can see right there created a break of a structure. Okay, that range, those orders created a break of a structure. All right. So because of that range is a good entry to get involved on in a reversal because the price is downtrending. Okay, in general we are uptrending, but on the lower time frame we are downtrending currently from this higher time frame mitigation zone. Okay, so a reversal from there would be nice depending on the price action tomorrow. Okay, but I think that I may avoid that entry unless it goes exactly to the 50% here. If a reversal entry is formed above this line, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait until the price at least mitigate that 50% because that's something that I know the price is gonna mitigate at some point. All right. So if I get involved right there when the 50% is that close, it may be a manipulation for sure. Okay. It may work, but I'm just gonna avoid it for my safety pretty much. Okay. About sales, as I've been saying, guys, the price is downtrending, so I'm selling in general for the moment until the price mitigate the 50% at least. So as you guys can see, the price to New York just went up like crazy. That's because Trump said something. I don't know, but the price just went up like crazy. So let's say if tomorrow the price goes up, okay, above that week to mitigate this range or this range, it's up to you how you want to look at it. If the price goes up there after manipulating that high, if one of my entries is formed up there, I'm gonna execute it. Okay, so in general, I may take sales up here. That may happen. I don't think it will because the price is way too high. I think the price is just gonna keep dropping because it has to in general, especially after the price manipulate of those highs right there. I think the price is just gonna keep going up, and most likely we may see a setup from there, from here on New York, pretty much. So that's it, guys. A reversal from this 50%. If the price once again mitigate the 50%, we may see a continuation to the upside because in general we are uptrending, right guys? We are down trending in general. Okay, if the price goes to 50%, this is gonna be probably the new low if the price breaks the high. Okay, so since in general we are uptrending, taking buys after our price mitigate at 50% may be good. Okay, and sells from up here until the price mitigate the 50% at least for the moment. Okay, just like I execute buys against the lower time frame intention, I can take sells as well, but it depends. It depends. Taking buys like this, it's just gonna depend on the price action. And if the price mitigate at 50%, taking sells, it's gonna depends just like the buys right now. Just like I said, guys, I execute the same thing over and over again, and you over time will notice that completely. So thank you for being here. Um, and have a good night. And let's see how tomorrow goes. I don't think that I'm gonna find any opportunities, but I already have my locations. And that's it, guys. Keep that consistency and take care. Thank you for being here.